Today I am going to start few important questions in continuity and differentiability. In that, problem is find the relation between A and B so that the function f defined by f of x is equal to ax plus 1 if x less than or equal to 3. F of x is equal to bx plus 3 if x greater than 3 is continuous at x is equal to 3. See that solution? Given f is continuous at x is equal to 3. Here function defined x less than 3, x greater than 3. So f is continuous at x is equal to 3 means limit x tends to 3 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 3 minus means x less than 3. If x less than 3, function defines f of x is equal to ax plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus. So 3 plus means x greater than 3. If x greater than 3, function defines this is bx plus 3. To evaluate this limit x tends to 3 minus or limit x tends to 3 plus. Write in the place of x is equal to 3. So this limit value is 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 3. 3a is equal to 3b plus 3. So this plus 1 should be this side, minus 1. So 3a is equal to 3b plus 3 minus 1 is equal. Then a is equal to divide by 3 on both these sides. So b plus 2 by 2. This is the relation between A and B. Next numerical. Determine if f is defined by f of x is equal to x square into sine of 1 by x. If x is not equal to 0 and f of x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0 is a continuous function. So if the function defines f of x is equal to something x not equal to a and f of x is equal to something x is equal to a, then is it function is continuous or not means limit x tends to a f of x is equal to f of a, then the function is continuous at x is equal to a. If limit x tends to a f of x is not equal to f of a, then the function is not continuous at x is equal to a. So here solution. Now we want to start with limit x tends to 0 f of x. So limit x tends to 0 means x is not equal to 0. If x is not equal to 0, function defines x squared into sine of 1 by x. So this is limit x tends to 0, x square into sine of 1 by x means, so write in the place of x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 means this is 0 square into sine of 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 means we will write 0 into x belongs to minus infinite to plus infinite. Sine value belongs to closed interval minus 1 to 1. Means this value is a finite value. Belongs to closed interval minus 1 to 1. So means 0 into something. So 0 into something is equal to 0. This is the same as x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to f of x is equal to 0. Means that is 0. So we reach limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equal to 0. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0 means conclude. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equal to 0. Next problem. Find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. And the function f is defined by f of x is equal to k cos x by pi minus 2x if x not equal to pi by 2. F of x is equal to 3 if x is equal to pi by 2. See the solution. Given f is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Here function defined x not equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2. So due to that reason, limit x tends to pi by 2, f of x is equal to f of pi by 2. Limit x tends to pi by 2 means x not equal to pi by 2. So given k cos x by pi minus 2x and f of pi by 2 is equal to given 3. So then evaluate this limit. So to evaluate this limit, take this substitution. Put pi minus 2x is equal to theta. This implies 2x is equal to pi minus theta. X is equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. As extending to pi by 2, then theta tending to means right in the place of x is equal to pi by 2 here. So pi minus 2 into pi by 2. So pi minus pi. So theta is equal to 0. Means as extending to pi by 2, theta becomes 0. This substitution right here. So then this limit becomes limit theta tends to 0, k into cos of x. X means right pi by 2 minus theta by 2. But pi minus 2x is theta. So this limit value is equal to given 3. So k is a constant quotient. So right outside limit theta tends to 0, cos of pi by 2 comes. Odd multiple of pi by 2 case cos of pi by 2 comes means cos changes to sin. And here angle is theta by 2. So pi by 2 minus theta means first quadrant. In first quadrant the trigonometric ratios all are positive. So sin theta by 2 by theta is equal to 3. So k into limit sin theta by 2 here. So here also theta by 2 if you want to get, then denominator multiply by 1 by 2. For equality, numerator is also multiplied by 1 by 2. So as theta tending to 0, theta by 2 tending to 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. From the standard formula, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x value is 1. So using that thing, k into this value becomes 1 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. To find k value, k is equal to by shift this side. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Next numerical. Find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at x is equal to 2. And the function f is defined by f of x is equal to kx square if x less than or equal to 2. And f of x is equal to 3 if x greater than 2. So here, solution. Given f is continuous at x is equal to, here function defined x less than or equal to 2 and x greater than 2. Then we have to use here limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 2 minus means x less than 2. If x less than 2, then f of x defines k x square is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus means x greater than 2. If x greater than 2 case, f of x defines 3. Then evaluate this limit. So to evaluate this limit x tends to 2 minus, write in the place of x is equal to 2. So k into 2 square. Here to evaluate this limit x tends to 2 plus of 3. There is no x here. If x is there, we will write in the place of x is equal to 2. There is no x means constant function. So whatever x value, then write that constant value for. So k into 2 square. So k into 2 square means it is 4 is equal to find k value, then shift this 4 the other side. Then k is equal to 3 by 4. Next numerical. Find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at x is equal to 5. And the function f is defined by f of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to 5. And f of x is equal to cos x if x greater than 5. Given f is continuous at x is equal to pi. Here function defined x less than or equal to pi and x greater than pi. So then use limit x tends to pi minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi plus f of x. So limit x tends to pi minus means x less than pi. So x less than pi means x less than or equal to pi case f of x is defined kx plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to pi plus. So x tends to pi plus means x greater than pi. So if x is greater than pi, f of x is defined cos x. Cos x. Then evaluate these limits. So limit x tends to pi minus kx plus 1 means right in the place of x is equal to pi. So this limit value is k pi plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to pi plus of cos x. Right in the place of x is equal to pi. So this is cos pi. We know that cos n pi is equal to minus 1 whole power n. So here cos 1 pi. So cos 1 pi is equal to minus 1 whole power 1. So this value is equal to minus 1. So k pi plus 1 is equal to minus 1. K pi is equal to, this plus 1 should be other side. Already minus 1 there. This plus 1 should be side. Minus 1. So k pi is equal to minus 1 means minus 2. K is equal to minus 2. This into pi should be side. So k is equal to minus 2 by 1. Next numerical. Find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at x is equal to 5. And the function f defined by f of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to 5. And f of x is equal to 3x minus 5 if x greater than 5. So here also given f is continuous at x is equal to 5. Here also function defined x less than or equal to 5, x greater than 5. Then limit x tends to 5 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 5 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 5 minus means x less than 5. Left hand side of 5. So that is x less than 5. If x less than 5, f of x is equal to how much? Kx plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 5 plus right hand side of 5 means x greater than 5. So if x greater than 5, f of x defines 3x minus 5. So then find the limit values. So to find this limit value, limit x tends to 5 minus kx plus 1, right in the place of x is equal to 5. So k into 5 means 5k plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 5 plus of 3x minus 5, right in the place of x is equal to 5. So this is 3 into 5 minus 1. So this is 5k plus 1 is equal to 3 into 5, 15 minus 1. So 5k plus 1 is equal to 15 minus 5 means it is 10. 5k is equal to 10. This plus 1 should this side minus 1. So 5k is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. K is equal to 9. This into value should this side. So therefore k is equal to 9 by 5. Next numerical. Find the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x is equal to 5 if x less than or equal to f of x is equal to ax plus b if 2 less than x less than 10 and f of x is equal to 21 if x greater than or equal to 10 is a continuous function. So given f is a continuous function, given f is a continuous function. So here two breaking points are there, x less than or equal to 2 and x greater than 2. So limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus. This is one breaking point. So at this breaking point, function is continuous means at that breaking point left limit value and right limit value both are equal. And also another breaking point is x less than 10, f of x is mentioned, and x greater than 10. So 10 is also another breaking point. Another breaking point also we have to evaluate that left limit value equal to right limit value. So limit x tends to 10 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 10 plus f of x. Now limit x tends to 2 minus. So limit x tends to 2 minus means x less than 2. X less than 2 case function is f of x is equal to 5 is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus means x greater than 2. So x greater than 2 case x value above 2 below 10 f of x is defined ax plus 2. So limit x tends to 2 minus of 5 means so this value is equal to 5. So limit x tends to 2 plus of ax plus b means right in the place of x is equal to. So this is 2a plus b. So 2a plus b is equal to 5. This is equation number 1. Next, limit x tends to 10 minus. So 10 minus means x less than 10. So x less than 10 case f of x defined by ax plus b is equal to limit x tends to 10 plus. 10 plus means x greater than 10. X greater than 10 case f of x is equal to 20. Then to evaluate limit x tends to 10 minus ax plus b means right in the place of x is equal to 10. So this limit value is equal to 10a plus b is equal to limit x tends to 10 plus. 10 plus means x greater than 10. So then 21. There is no x. If x is there, we will write in place of x is equal to 10. So there is no x means this is 21. So this is equation number. So one equation is 2a plus b is equal to 5 and another equation is 10a plus b is equal to 21. So to find a b values, then equation number 2 minus 1. So equation number 2 is 10a plus b is equal to 21 minus first equation means 2a plus b is equal to 5. So subtracting these signs will change. So plus b minus b gets cancelled. 10a minus 2a it is 8a is equal to 21 minus 5. So this is 16. So a is equal to 16. This into value comes this side by 8. So 16 by 8 means so a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. Substitute in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. We will get the value of. So a is equal to 2. I am substituting here first equation. So 2 into 2 plus b is equal to 5. So 4 plus b is equal to 5. So b is equal to 5. This plus 4 shift the other side, minus 4. 5 minus 4 means b is equal to how much? 1. Next problem. Prove that the function f is given by f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1. X belongs to R. Is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. So f is differentiable at x is equal to a. F dash a is equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a. If this limit exists, then this value is differentiable at x is equal to a. So here function defined f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1. So the definition of modulus of x is equal to modulus of x is equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0, and modulus of x is equal to minus x if x less than 0. Using that one, modulus of x minus 1 is equal to plus of x minus 1 if x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. That is, x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 means x is greater than or equal to 1. F of x is equal to x minus 1. Modulus of x minus 1 is equal to minus of x minus 1 if x minus 1 less than 0. So that is, x minus 1 less than 0 means x less than 1. So here function is f of x is equal to x minus 1 if x greater than or equal to 1, and f of x is equal to minus of x minus 1 x less than 1. So 1 is the breaking point. At this one, then right derivative and left derivative both are equal. Then the function is differentiable at x is equal to 1. Right derivative, left derivative are not equal at x is equal to 1. Then the function that is not differentiable at that breaking point. So left derivative get 1. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus a 1. So limit x tends to 1 minus means x less than 1. Limit x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus case, x less than 1 case, f of x is defined minus of x minus 1. Minus x is equal to 1 case, f of x is equal to 1 minus 1, 0. By x minus 1. So this is nothing but minus of x minus 1 by x minus 1. Then limit x tends to 1 minus, this value is equal to minus 1. Here there is no x. If x is there, we will write in the place of x is equal to 1. So there is no x means, then this limit value is minus 1. Next, right derivative get 1. So this is limit x tends to 1 plus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. So x tending to 1 plus means x greater than 1. X greater than 1 case, f of x is equal to x minus 1. So limit x tending to 1 plus x minus 1 minus of f of 1 means x is equal to 1 case, f of x is equal to x minus 1 means right in place of x is equal to 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. So that value is 0 by x minus 1. X minus 1 minus 0 by x minus 1 means x minus 1 by x minus 1. So limit x tends to 1 plus this value is x minus 1 by x minus 1 means 1. So to evaluate this limit, there is no x here. If x there, we'll write in the place of x is equal to 1. There is no x means this limit value is 1. So left derivative at x is equal to 1 is minus 1. And right derivative at x is equal to 1 is plus 1. So therefore, left derivative at 1 is not equal to right derivative at 1. So therefore, f is not differentiable. F is not differentiable at x is equal to